वेलकम बैक गाइस टू आवर अनदर ब्लॉग। आपका बहुत बहुत कोटिया कोटिया धन्यवाद ये ब्लॉग देखने के लिए और पिछले वाला ब्लॉग देखने के लिए। आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं हाउस हंटिंग के लिए, डे 2। लास्ट वीक भी हमने कुछ घर देखे थे बट हमें कुछ इतना इम्प्रेस नहीं हुए। हमें लाइक हमारे मियाँ इम्प्रेस नहीं हुए मैं भी इम्प्रेस नहीं हुई। मुझे किचन थोड़े से छोटे लगे लास्ट वाली व्यूइंग्स में। और आज हम लोग लारोजा देखने जा रहे हो। लारोजा इज अ मास्टर कम्युनिटी टाउन हाउस कम्युनिटी बाय दुबई प्रॉपर्टीज। इट्स लोकेटेड इन दुबई लैंड नेक्स्ट टू पोलो क्लब। और आज हम जो हंटिंग हाउस हंटिंग करने जा रहे हैं वो जा रहे हैं जे की ड्रीम कार में, पॉश टाइकन 4S। मैंने तो नाम रट लिया है, अब नहीं, मैं जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलूंगी।
नहीं भूलना चाहिए।
और जे लास्ट टाइम जो हमने व्यूइंग्स की थी, घर देखे थे, हमने देखा था अरेबिया रांचेस बाय इमार, देन द वैली बाय इमार। तो उनमें से क्या क्या आपको नहीं पसंद आया जो आप ढूंढ रहे हो? व्हाट आर योर रिकमेंडेशन, लाइक नॉट रिक्वायरमेंट्स?
No, I think the houses were really nice. I think the thing was they were in new communities. There was no activity there. There's no vibe, like community vibe, or what do you call it? Amenities. Like for example, in Dubai Hills, we have a mall. We have nice walking areas. We have a park.
And we have commercial
and the main
offices.
Exactly, we have commercial offices, and the main thing is the distance, right? Location wise, Dubai Hills is much better. Those other communities are much further away. बस यही था मेरा कि थोड़ा सा if we find something, even La Rosa actually is closer to any of those places if you think about it. So let's check them out. Let's see how it is.
Check it out. हमें एक्चुअली अपार्टमेंट्स भी देखने हैं। अपार्टमेंट्स हमारी प्रेफरेंस नहीं है, but why not give it a chance, give apartment a chance.
So let's go, guys.
So we'll have a look at few apartments and townhouse. आज के दिन हम सिर्फ townhouse देख रहे हैं। आज संडे है तो हमारे पास थोड़ा सा टाइम है, 1-2 घंटे। So we thought we'll just go around and have a look at the community. मैंने तो community को अंदर से in and out I know about the community, but जय ने कभी नहीं देखी। मैं उस कम्युनिटी में मैंने काम भी किया है, सो या आई एम फेमिलियर विद द कम्युनिटी। चलो लेट्स गो। सो गाइस, दुबई में ना गर्मी बहुत पड़ रही है, तो हमने सोचा गैस स्टेशन में रुक के थोड़ी सी सप्लाईज उठा ले, पानी उठा ले, कुछ जूसेस उठा ले, क्योंकि कई बार होता है कि जो घर की व्यूइंग हम करने जाते हैं उसमें एसी नहीं चल रहा होता है। सो इट्स दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल and we just gonna stop by a gas station, petrol pump right now. Jay is gonna go inside, हमारे लिए कुछ जूस और पानी लेके आएंगे। Should we drink coffee? I wanna have Karibu Cafe. Karibu coffee.
So why don't you search anything that's on the way?
Maybe La Rosa में है ना, वहाँ पे community center है, उनके पास Tim Hortons and Starbucks है community center में। I don't think so they have Karibu coffee. Okay. I'll check. Let me Google it.
Check, because that's your favorite now, and
yeah, it is so good. Karibu Cafe. Karibu coffee.
Karibu coffee.
मुझे ना एक्चुअली करीबू coffee near La Rosa. Oh, they do? Take away. Times Square Center कित्थे है?
That's where we went yesterday.
Where?
Al Quoz.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's showing me the history. Okay, khali wali.
So I'll get water?
Just water for me, room temperature, at least 7 bottles.
Sukhpreet? What?
Okay, thank you, Jay.
Yeah.
Thank you, babe.
Anytime. Sukhpreet?
कुछ चाहिए था ना? अच्छा, you're going with them. Anyways, guys, my brother and my Janu are going to get some supplies for us. और meanwhile मैं जो La Rosa property देखने जा रहे हैं हम लोग, उसके बारे में बताती हूँ। It's 2.65 million dirham. 3-bedroom townhouse plus maid's room, around I think 1900 square feet plot area and 2400 square feet built up. तो हमारे लिए फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस इट्स इनफ, क्योंकि 3 रूम है उसमें। एक हमारा मास्टर बेडरूम हो जाएगा, एक मेरी वॉक इन क्लोजेट हो जाएंगी एंड एक फॉर गेस्ट, क्योंकि जे के पेरेंट्स और मेरे पेरेंट्स दे कीप ट्रैवलिंग टू दुबई, सो दैट्स व्हाट वी गोना डू. And we need a bigger space because we both were planning to move to a 2-bedroom apartment separately, you know. So I was like, anyways we gonna live together, right? From next year we're gonna get married and live together. तो इससे अच्छा ये है कि हम एक साथ ही है ना कुछ ले लें, जो बाद में फिर वो हमें बेचना पड़ेगा या फिर we have to put it on rent or something. So that's what we decided. So we are on hunt for another 1 month. Let's see. Let's see. We both liked. I really like La Rosa because उनके sizes बहुत अच्छे हैं. That पानी की bottle लेके आना. He actually got me what? 10 bottles?
Yeah, there's a good offer on it.
He got me 10 bottles. He knows I drink a lot of water.
No, it's 12.
It's 12?
Yeah.
Double लेके आ गए जितनी मैंने बोली थी.
Yeah.
Give me a bottle. But ये छोटी वाली है. कितने milliliter है? Can you open this for me,
This
please?
is 250.
Thank you.
250
ढक्कन मिला दो.
It's out of it. Oh, huh. Yes. Shipped on that. Sorry.
That feels so. और ये हमारे प्रिंस ये सिर्फ जूस पीते हैं. He doesn't drink. पानी नहीं पीते. बड़े लोग बड़ी बातें, you know.
Yes.
ये ढक्कन लगा दो.
100.
चलो guys मिलते हैं अब टाउन हाउस व्यूइंग पे. ऑलराइट गाइस, हम लोग ला रोजा में एंटर हो चुके हैं. इट्स अ गेटेड कम्युनिटी और जब आप एंटर होते हो इस कम्युनिटी में, इफ़ यू डोंट नो द हाउस नंबर और यू डोंट गिव योर डिटेल्स लाइक आईडी या फिर अपना फ़ोन नंबर, दे डोंट अलाउ यू टू कम इनसाइड. सो इट्स वेरी सेफ कम्युनिटी. और हर कुछ किलोमीटर के बाद यहाँ पे सीसीटीवी कैमरास लगे हुए हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द कम्युनिटीज़ दुबई में ऐसी है. वेरी सेफ, 24 आवर सिक्योरिटी एंड it's very well maintained. And मैं तो यहाँ पे आती रहती हूँ. Jay came here I think after a long time and as you can see कितनी greenery है यहाँ पे. तो यहाँ से left लेना. I know the house. I've been there before. तो ये सामने community pool है. पूरे उसके लिए टाउन हाउसेस के लिए ये पूल है, पार्क है, किड्स प्लेइंग एरिया है और डॉग पार्क भी है यहाँ पे. पता है, दैट इज डॉग पार्क. Because I was here day before yesterday with my client. What do you mean perfect? हम तो कुत्ता नहीं रखने वाले ना.
We will.
What do you mean? No.
Sometime we will.
I don't know.
Not a dog, a cat.
Maybe
Take
cat.
the cat to
I'm
the
not.
dog park and scare all the dogs away.
Cat डरेगी या dog डरेंगे?
Cat डरा देगी.
सीधा.
Tiger लेंगे ना, tiger.
Tiger? Yeah. Tiger तो है ना मेरे पास.
हाँ.
Yeah.
एक छोटा tiger भी चाहिए.
Oh. I didn't say. We have just arrived here. तो 2 गराज पार्किंग है जहाँ पे हमने पार्क कर दिया है. बाकी हम बाहर से गाड़ी से निकल के दिखाते हैं आपको. सो या तो ये टाउन हाउस है, सामने आपको दिख रहा है. और आई थिंक ये सिंगल रो है, पीछे कोई टाउन हाउस नहीं है. लेट्स सी, गो इनसाइड एंड सी. वी डोंट माइंड है ना, सिंगल रोड बैक टू बैक हो, डजंट मैटर.
Location.
2 पार्किंग है यहाँ पे एंड लेट्स हैव अ लुक. अगर वैसे तो मुझे बोला गया था कि खुला है. ओह यस, इट्स ओपन. इट्स क्वाइट स्पेशियस.
Yeah. Well, yeah. This area is. But it's very open plan. It's very open plan.
True.
And look at the backyard. It's big.
It's huge. A lot of natural light. That's
Yes.
what I like, you know.
Yeah.
Kitchen काफी अच्छा है.
Hmm.
Kitchen बहुत अच्छा है. Open style है.
Yes, you're right.
इसको close भी कर सकते हैं ना.
कैसे?
Permission लेके.
हाँ. हो सकती है. I think that's why they did it like this.
Yeah.
This would be like this, and then bang, and then maybe have an opening over there, dining table over here, living over here, but it's a bit tight over here, this space. So you have to make you'd have to figure it out. But because here you're gonna have a few chairs, right, for breakfast, right, and then here maybe a dining table. Then you'd have to have living over here, right? But okay, not bad.
Decent size.
It's a decent size,
ये powder room
300 square feet.
वो main room में laundry room.
Oh, nice. I like the powder room. It's actually like, doable. And the bedroom is good sized. Good. No closet.
ऊपर चलते हैं.
Storage.
You have to talk, baby.
Laundry.
You're not talking.
No, I'm looking. I have to look. I have to look first.
Okay.
So, anyways, yeah, it's nice. I really like the glass. This is similar to what was the other one? The Valley, right?
The valley.
Yeah, it's similar, and it's similar to the other one we saw, Arabian Ranches, the second one in Arabian Ranches.
Location is different. I mean, like quality wise, I
I
think
think location is better.
this is much better.
Yeah, come, let's check upstairs. This is good. They have glasses over here. They have window over here. Let light in, right? Nice. You got a big closet here. Perfect for you.
That's not enough. I need a full room where I can build a closet.
Full room.
Yeah.
Okay, which room? This is the master, right?
This is the master bedroom.
Okay.
With attached balcony.
Nice.
Now let's go to my closet.
Your closet. Okay, great.
So one of these rooms, maybe this room, I will convert into a walk-in closet.
This room.
क्योंकि इसमें natural light भी आ रही है ना?
Oh, उसमें भी आ रही है.
हाँ, but I think this is
You like this? It gives you that vibe, the closet vibe?
yeah.
Okay.
इस पर मतलब मैं closet बना सकती हूँ.
हाँ हाँ.
यहाँ पे island.
हाँ.
Jewelry वगैरह का island.
Okay.
यहाँ पे मेरी mirror
Okay.
लगा हुआ है.
So what's that room for then?
That is for our parents.
Okay. This is big.
इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ, this is for our parents. वो washroom में जो attach कर सकते हैं. Attach नहीं कर सकते, I think there's no space.
No space at all. Right. It's decent. I mean, you can't. The problem is you can't get bigger apartments and villas. The townhouse is like bigger than this. The only thing here, every townhouse I've seen has a bathtub for some reason.
Yeah.
Even this one. Can we check this?
Because that's the trend. Bathtub.
See, this doesn't.
Yeah, master room doesn't have bathtub.
That doesn't make any sense.
I don't know, maybe the space.
It's not big. It's not enough.
Yeah, this is not a very big shop.
It doesn't look nice as well.
It's okay. आपको सब कुछ नहीं मिलता. You don't get everything.
Of course you don't.
Yeah, so कहीं ना कहीं पे compromise करना
Compromise.
पड़ेगा हमें.
Yeah.
Or else we build a custom built mansion.
Okay. That's
When?
pretty soon. Give it a couple of years.
Okay. Deal.
Deal. Okay. Let's go down. Check it out. Check what else out. There's nothing else to check out. This is it.
नहीं.
हो तो गया. है ना?
मेरा मुझे पता है. What we can do is.
Quality wise, it's not bad.
I really like this.
Yeah? Okay.
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੰਮੀ ਵੀ ਖੁਸ਼ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੱਡਾ ਕਿਚਨ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏਗਾ.
Yeah, this is this thing.
ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਪਾਰਟਨਰ ਵੀ ਖੁਸ਼ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵਾਕ ਇਨ ਕਲੋਜ਼ਟ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏਗੀ.
Very good. So then everything is ticking all the boxes then. What's left? What's left
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ
to do?
ਆਫਿਸ ਰੂਮ ਵੀ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ.
ਕਿੱਥੇ?
Maids, if we're not gonna keep full time maid, right?
Mhm.
Part time ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ.
Yeah.
If you need full time, then it's a different story. Otherwise, ਜਿਹੜਾ maid's room ਹੈ, we can turn that into a
Boys' room.
office room for you.
Boys' room.
No boys in this house, only me.
I'll make you into a boy.
What?
Kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Here, let me close this. Okay. Good?
आपको ऑफिस दिखा देती हूँ.
हाँ जी ऑफिस दिखाओ कैसा लगा वाह इतने डेस्क होगी मेरी इतने इतने
ਇੱਥੇ ਡੈਸਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ. ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕਲੋਜ਼ਟ ਡਰਾਅਰਸ ਬਣਾ ਦਾਂਗੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ
I need another window to see my car.
Look, you can actually see his car. Oh, that is so nice.
Yeah. Chalo. Anyways, I'm getting it home. We're getting it soon. Yeah, it's nice. What is this for sale?
It's 2.65. But
This is 2.65.
yeah,
Really?
we got that for 2.7 next
Wow.
month. So it's a decent price, isn't it? If you look at
How
the
big is
market,
it? What's the built-up area?
1900 square feet plot, 2,400 I think built up.
This is big.
This is big.
Yeah. Bigger than the one we got, but yeah. It's 2.65. Wow. Sure, why not? Let's have a look. I want to see where it goes.
And ये क्या है ना उधर तक open भी होता है in case
In case what?
we have a party, birthday party for our kids.
Okay. Yes.
हम यहाँ पे barbecue कर सकते हैं.
Nice. So this is back to back then. This is not single row.
This is back to back, but small park in the back, so it makes it
Hmm.
I don't know what.
Yeah.
और यहाँ पे pool बनाने की भी जगह है, you know.
Jacuzzi. No one. We're never gonna use it.
Maybe
We don't use the swimming pool in the building, so
I never went to the. Oh, look at this.
Huh.
That looks so nice.
Yeah.
See, winter
If
च मजा आ जाएगा.
this could be into the ground, then it would be one space.
But this will be so nice in winter. You know?
Yes. Yeah. True. Good. Very good.
उधर से ये खुल जाता है, उधर से वो खुल जाता है.
ठीक है.
Open.
ठीक है. Good. Very good. Thank you. This is nice.
This is nice.
So they don't have any rental options? How much?
I think 160, 170 or 185.
For the same. Okay. Good. गाने पता नहीं कितना लग गए. सीरी नहीं लाते. सीरी नहीं लाते. Okay. Anyways. 2.65 and 160,000 rent.
170,000 rent.
170,000 rent. Okay.
So it's better to buy.
Okay. Let's try.
Okay.
Yeah. And the ones in the valley were 2.3.
2.4 million to buy and to rent is 120,000.
Okay.
So
This makes more sense.
this makes more sense because it's a good location next to Polo Club and all the amenities are ready.
Really?
Huh?
Can we see them?
We will see clubhouse.
Mhm.
वहाँ पे आपके grocery stores, cafes, basic retail shops सब
Let's
ready.
check that out.
We'll do that.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why I think this makes more sense. The valley is nice. I know it's gonna be very, very good community in future, but the problem is हम 5 साल बाद तो हमने mansion ले लेना अपना 5 साल नहीं 3 साल बाद तो I mean like future किसने देखा future में तो हम पता नहीं कहाँ से कहाँ दुबई खरीद लेना था हमने
Yeah.
so it's better to stay close to the city.
Yeah. This is a big townhouse.
Yeah.
I was expecting smaller, but this is pretty bigger than I thought.
Exactly. So
ठीक है.
ओके सो तीनों जो ऑप्शंस देखी है हमने दुबई साउथ नहीं देखा हमने द वैली रेबिया रांचेस एंड ला रोजा कौन सी आपकी टॉप है नंबर 1 व्हिच वुड यू
So the second townhouse we saw in Arabian Ranches, that was really nice.
रूबा
And there were a few things on and off, but okay. And this one. The valley as well, but like I said, the distance, location, nothing there. It's super new, right? It just doesn't make sense right now, today for us. If we want to rent, maybe, but to buy, it doesn't make sense. Better investment is actually here.
you're
Because
right
the rents are more than, the return on the rent is higher than there. That means there's more demand here. Okay? And there, I don't know why people are asking 2.3. It doesn't make sense. Let's go see the amenities.
yeah
Okay?
we'll
And
see the amenities and clubhouse जहाँ पे सारे retail shops ready है so that maybe that can convince him to buy.
okay, let's go check it out.
So ਸੁਖਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਘਰ
ਸਾਰੀ ਵਧੀਆ
ਸਾਰੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਇੱਕ ਦੱਸ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ
ਆ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ
ਐਸਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਲੈ ਲਈ ਫਿਰ
ਲੈ ਲਓ
ਕੱਢ ਫਿਰ 6 ਕਰੋੜ ਕੱਢ 6 ਕਰੋੜ
Okay, babe.
Anji.
Outside or inside?
right
Outside.
outside the pool is here but pool देखना है आपको कभी
नहीं।
स्विमिंग करनी तो है नहीं हमने और डॉग पार्क है you wanna have a look at that क्योंकि डॉग तो हमने कभी रखना नहीं है Let's go to the point. हम सीधा अपने काम की बात करते हैं काम की चीजें देखते हैं let's not waste time because we have to work as well after this it's Sunday doesn't mean कि हमें सारा दिन घूम फिर के निकालना है
So, guys, we're driving around, as you know, and it's a pretty quiet community, I could say. Not many people out. Of course, it's 43 degrees, so I wouldn't expect anybody out.
Wow, that's hot. That's really hot. That's why I was like, टाउन हाउस के अंदर एसी नहीं चल रहा था बट टाउन हाउस के अंदर इतनी गर्मी नहीं थी बाहर आते you couldn't even stand for 1 minute.
No,
It's quite hot.
It's too hot. And look, in Dubai, you have to get used to this heat. It's just, it is what it is. I mean, everywhere in the world, it's getting hot. right? So that's fine. As long as you can live a good life anywhere, it doesn't matter. The heat doesn't affect you, right? One point.
True. See,
Is this it?
दुनिया में कहीं पे भी आप जाओगे ना, हर जगह आपको एक्सट्रीम वेदर मिलेगा.
Oh, this one.
You name a, नहीं, not this. Oh
What is
yeah,
this?
what is this?
Let's check it out.
This is a restaurant. There's
I don't know.
something. It's a
Could it be?
club.
Looks like a restaurant.
Oh,
Why
kids
is a
playing
restaurant in
area.
the middle?
Looks like a fine dining.
That's the community area.
No, this is not the community center. Community center is in the beginning,
Ah.
where
So I think this
from where we entered.
This is like some kind of.
Spa.
Yeah, but look at this.
The bolt
There's a pool
hole.
over there.
The bolt hole.
The bolt hole. What does that mean?
I don't know. We'll Google it. But I don't want to get out of from the car. It's too hot.
I won't take you.
It's too hot.
All right.
Let's go to the community center. It's right next to the entrance. जिथों ਆਪਾਂ enter नहीं होए सीगे. Exit करके left roundabout तो left लेना था.
Got it.
So yeah, I was saying कि दुनिया में कहीं पे भी आप चले जाओ, आपको एक्सट्रीम वेदर मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. अगर आप इंडिया में भी रहते हो, आपको एक्सट्रीम विंटर भी मिलता है, एक्सट्रीम समर भी मिलता है. और लेट्स से यू गो टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया और यू गो टू एनी अदर कंट्री, लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्रीज, राइट, एक्सट्रीम वेदर, ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है और बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है. एंड आई थिंक you have to get used to it, you know. So we are grateful. We live in Dubai. It's a land of opportunities. So no complaints. आपको दुनिया भर की फैसिलिटीज़ मिल रही है, दुनिया भर की सेफ्टी मिल रही है, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल रही है. तो एक वेदर नहीं आप हैंडल कर सकते? Of course you can. So it's not a big deal.
Speech. What a speech. You
What
should
is-
become a public speaker now.
Yeah, I should become a public speaker. I speak so well.
Yes.
You know, I was the person, मतलब मेरे मुंह से आवाज नहीं निकलती होती थी और मैं डर जाती थी बात करने से, और अब मेरा मुंह नहीं बंद होता.
अपनी बात से डर जाते.
अब मैं अपनी आवाज से डर जाती हूँ. So I was very introvert person. I'm still very introvert person, but it depends किसके साथ बैठी हूँ मैं. अगर मुझे comfort feel हो तो मैं आपकी best friend बन जाऊंगी. सीधा we go straight. Where is the exit?
No idea.
We go straight. At Knock, they have a gas station inside the community.
Where?
Piche,
Really?
I could see.
Interesting.
I think we crossed the main entrance.
We'll go back.
We have to go back. Okay.
Go back.
My love, why you do small mistakes?
Because I just like driving the car.
Yeah, laha lut rahe hai, taking advantage of the car. Alright guys, हम community center पहुंच गए हैं. सामने community center है, यहाँ पे काफी सारे coffee shops and retail shops है. तो parking भी काफी बढ़िया है ना? I think पूरी community के लिए है ये. They have only
must
one
be.
community.
Must be. But what's inside? Let me check what's inside.
Some coffee shops and
Coffee
all that.
shops दिख रही हैं.
एंड पीछे एक मॉस्क भी है. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कम्युनिटी के अंदर मॉस्क होना, बिकॉज यहाँ पे मेजोरिटी ऑफ पीपल हु लिव हियर आर मुस्लिम, राइट. सो इट एड्स लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू टू योर प्रॉपर्टी जब मॉस्क कम्युनिटी के अंदर हो. एंड लेट्स गो. कैन वी पार्क?
Yeah,
मे वी विल ट्राई टू टेक द कैमरा इनसाइड अगर उन्होंने अलाउ किया हमें.
Yes.
वैसे मोस्टली सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स होते हैं, दे डोंट अलाउ द कैमरा. सो दिस इज द कम्युनिटी सेंटर. It's pretty nice.
Yes, it is.
And that's the mosque. सामने आपको दिख रही होगी. ग्रे कौन सा कलर है वो?
That's beige.
beige and white color. कलर ब्लाइंड होगी हम कि मैं ग्रे बता रही हूँ, बेज को मैं. I don't understand the light colors. पता नहीं मुझे.
Really?
हाँ.
कोई बात. You don't need.
Maybe I'm color blind. Am I?
It doesn't matter. You just need to see the color of money. That's it.
Ooh, I like that. It doesn't matter. मुझे पति ढूंढना तो पति मिल गया मुझे.
मैं ढूंढूंगा.
Doesn't matter. इसलिए मैंने अभी मेकअप करना भी छोड़ दिया, सजना धजना भी छोड़ दिया, बिकॉज जो मेरा गोल था
हाँ जी.
पति ढूंढने का वो पूरा हो गया.
There's something in front.
So why don't you? ਇਹਦੀ ਪਿੱਠ ਅੱਗੇ ਲਾ ਦੋ. ਕਿੱਧਰ ਚੱਲੇ? This car is like a baby to him. ਇੰਨਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਤਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਆਪਣੀ ਗਰਲਫ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਵਾਈਫ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਇਹ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਪਾਰਕਿੰਗ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਕਰਦਾ.
It's okay. We can go like this. Come.
What?
Let's go.
Let's go?
Yeah, yeah.
Can we take the camera?
We'll try.
Okay, let's go. ਰੇਸਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਬੰਦਾ?
अपन
नहीं जानता
अपन शो ऑफ कर रहे
हाँ,
हैं
हाँ, show off
ਸਾਡੇ
कर
ਕੋਲੇ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਸਪੋਰट्ਸ ਕਾਰ
ठीक है
ਸਪੋਰट्स ਕਾਰ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੋ ਆਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਗਾ
okay
लेट्स सी कॉफी ये कॉफी
Coffee
प्लैनेट
Planet.
ओपन है
yes
आई
it
नीड
is.
कॉफी
Let's see what it is
फर्स्ट लेट्स गो इनसाइड मे बी वी
Yeah.
कैन
there's probably going to be like a supermarket right
लागे आ जाओ
there's going to be a supermarket
लागे चलिया करो बहुत दूर ना जाया करो गाइस इट्स ह्यूज यहाँ पे नर्सरी भी है क्लिनिक भी है यू कैन सी हेल्थ कनेक्ट पॉलीक्लिनिक देन सलोन्स ग्रोसरी स्टोर बच्चों के खेलने का क्या था वो
barber shop
बार्बर शॉप बच्चों के खेलने का बार्बर शॉप लॉन्ड्री रूम और फैम प्रॉपर्टीज ने ऑफिस भी खोल रखा है यहाँ पे ओके ये हमारे काम का नहीं है और टॉय रूम फोन डेस्को भी है
ये तो वो सेम जो
It's-
अल्फुरजान में है ना it's the same layout
Exactly.
Almost the same layout
सो नाइस सुपरमार्केट्स चश्मों की दुकान फूलों की दुकान यहाँ पे तो आपका काम है
आ जाओ अंदर से
और गाइस हमें कॉफी पीनी थी तो यूजुअली हम लोग क्या पीते हैं
Starbucks Tim Hortons Caribou
करीबू कॉफी यूजुअली हम एवरीडे वही पीते हैं तो आज हमने सोचा व्हाई नॉट टू ट्राई समथिंग न्यू व्हिच इज कैटरीना नॉट कैटरीना कैफ ये कैटरीना कैफ का कैफे नहीं है ये कोई आई थिंक बुटीक कैफे है नया खुला है तो यहाँ पे तो वी थॉट इट कुड बी नाइस लेट्स ट्राई लेट्स ऑर्डर समथिंग
चलो देखते हैं
Hi, she is the supervisor. Say hi. And thank you.
so
Yeah.
the usual
Yeah, I want Spanish latte, usual.
one Spanish and then for me I'll just take a cappuccino do you have oat milk
Yes, we have.
oat
For
milk
you also oat milk, madam?
No,
Normal.
normal milk, but I want small.
We only have one size. It's okay with you.
Yeah.
That's fine.
For one.
two in the paper cup right
If you want ceramic cup, we will serve in ceramic.
no the which one do you want
Yeah, take away cup.
Take-
take away cup
Yeah. And I have a question. Who is the owner of the shop?
This the owner now is Sir Dennis. He's a Russian nationality, madam.
Russian.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have more branches of this cafe?
Actually, we have some more branches to be open.
Uh-huh.
As of now, I think we have already 26 or 27 branches.
Oh,
All
very
over
nice.
Dubai, and we also have
Never seen.
branches in Abu Dhabi.
Oh, very nice. We didn't know that. Where else do you have the branches?
We have also our main branch before is in Maldives.
Uh-huh.
We have in Al Barsha, we have in Sustainable City, Silicon Oasis, Center Point. We have also in Satwa. We have also hopefully we will open also in Al Ghurair. Many more branches.
Very nice. Very good to know. We didn't know, and we really like the concept. It's very girlish,
We
but
also
it's not.
have some customized cake, madam, like a special.
where can we see anything
Usually we will advise the customer to do the order 3 to 4 days before. We can make designs according to your own will. We'll make similar one for you.
We are getting engaged, me and him, so we will definitely order our engagement
Yes,
cake
I hope
from here.
so.
Yeah,
right
yeah, perfect. Thank you so much. We'll have a seat and
I'll
yeah,
take this
perfect. That's your department.
Yeah.
Payment.
so great
वो
smoothie ले लेने
हाँ.
you don't want coffee right
Vanilla smoothie है कोई?
superfood mango you like mango
I
smoothie
recommend to you the vitamin bowl. It's very nice.
yeah it's like that yeah
Okay.
for
सुखप्रीत को कॉफी पीने से सर दर्द होने लग जाता है घबराहट होने लग जाती है फिर वो गाड़ी में सो जाता है इसलिए अब हम उनके लिए कॉफी नहीं लेंगे मिल्क शेक लेंगे
it's only 5 dirhams for coffee
नो वे
yeah look
इट्स ओनली 5 dirham for a
10
coffee
dirhams for your Spanish latte
wow that's a good price
I thought it was in dollars I'm just kidding
do you do home delivery every day I can order at home wow the coffee is really cheap it's 5 dirham for a coffee usually when we buy from Tim Hortons or Starbucks or Caribou it's what 25 dirham 25 dirham yeah so that's reasonable now let's see how it tastes देखते हैं कि up to standard है या नहीं
look at these
नहीं मुझे नहीं
remember these I ate them when I was little
No, साढ़े मैं you forgot भूल जाती हो कि मैं पंजाब में ग्रो अप हुई हूँ
पंजाब में भी होते हैं ऐसे
बट वो घर के बने होते हैं
हाँ घर पे
वो हलवाई से निकलवा के लेके आते हैं हम
Yes, yes.
आटे के
वही।
आटे के बिस्किट।
चलो।
तो मैंने while growing up मैंने कभी भी बाहर का खाना नहीं खाया। इनफैक्ट मैंने गोलगप्पे भी व्हेन आई वाज 19 तब मैंने ट्राई किए थे, मैंने गोलगप्पे भी नहीं खाए थे कभी। कहाँ बैठ रहे हैं हम? थैंक यू। How did you like the cafe?
Well, we'll have the coffee and then we'll see.
Okay. But interior is nice. I really like the how their logo is designed. सिर्फ कटरीना पिंक में लिखा हुआ है.
हाँ.
The rest of it is in, like you know beige.
Maybe she's obsessed with herself.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
But yeah, you're right.
There's nothing wrong in being obsessed with yourself.
True.
Like who I
never said there was.
yeah, like how I am. I'm obsessed with myself. I love myself. And I love you.
And you should.
Yeah,
You should love yourself. If
Definitely.
you don't love yourself, then I mean, look, this is the only body you will have for the rest of your life.
yeah,
You have to love yourself.
true.
You have no choice. Right. Anyways, let's have the coffee and we'll come back to it.
We'll come back with the coffee. Alright guys, हमारी coffee आ गई है. Now we're gonna try and let you guys know. एक second रुक जाओ. एक साथ try करेंगे. और ये उन्होंने हमें complimentary cookies भी दी है. Butter cookies है ना ये?
Wow.
These are literally melting in my mouth. Chocolate, it's okay if you have it later. Chalo, let's try. Cheers. Cheers. 1, 2, 3. It's the same taste as Karibu. Why
Really?
they charge 25 dirham?
I don't know.
मैं ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੂ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੁਣ.
कर दो ये लेके जाओ नाल.
Why they're charging so much? I think it's the brand.
Wow. Yeah, of course it is. Look, it's fine.
But it's the
Not bad.
exact same taste. What do you mean not bad? Don't you think it's the exact same taste?
You're getting less as well. घट भी मिल रहा था ना.
Oh yeah. Karibu में usually क्या है ना वो इतना बड़ा ग्लास देते हैं ना. Quantity.
चलो. If it's the same taste, it is cheaper though. It's still true.
Yeah. So overall, my review would be love it. Worth paying 5 dirham for a coffee
Yeah.
and free cookies. आपको अगर free cookies चाहिए तो यहाँ आना.
They have a good model. You know, they kept all the juices, coffees very cheap, and the food is, of course, that's where they make the money from.
Quality of food. चलो guys, आज हमने बस एक ही घर देखना था because हमें इसके बाद काम करना है मैंने और जेनी दोनों ने मिलके.
Yeah.
कुछ हमारा कुछ बिजनेस सेटअप कर रहे हैं हम इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा होमवर्क करना है. So we're gonna be busy after this. Thank you so much guys for watching this vlog. अभी next week हम शायद apartments की options भी देखें. We'll keep you guys updated. For now, thank you so much for watching this. And फिर भूल जाती हूँ मैं. Do not forget to subscribe, share and like. पहले रिमाइंड करवाना था आपको स्टार्टिंग के 2 मिनट में. कहते हैं ना कि स्टार्टिंग के 2 मिनट में आप याद दिलवा दिया करो कि सब्सक्राइब करो.
कोई बात
बट मैं भूल जाती हूँ. बट आप कर लेना ठीक है, नहीं तो मुझे डांट पड़ेगी मेरी मार्केटिंग टीम से. Alright guys, bye bye.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Bye.